Hey guys, it's Coach Keen. I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of our Canvas page and how we're going to use it this year. We will use this all the time. I know last year, if you were in cross country, we did some assignments. We will do more assignments this year than we did last year, and they'll be shorter, but you'll have more of them. So I just want to make sure you guys know where you're going and what you need to do. So basically, here's the home page. You can see all the information here. It's got our schedule, our calendar of what you're going to be doing, and some information about me and that kind of stuff. I'm in the student mode right now, so this is actually what you're going to see. So over here you'll have all these tabs here, and you got the announcements. So when I send out announcements, those will be in there. They'll also show up on the top of this page right here. And your assignments are here. And modules, this is where you're going to spend most of your time in here, is under modules. So you got them all broken down here by week, and you can see each one has the week here. And then this, we've used this program called 2 Words before. For those of you who've been around, if you're new, it's a program that helps you build your character and works on your mindset while we're working on your physical strength too. So each week you're going to watch the video, and you can see right here, if you click on the link, it looks kind of weird. It brings you here and you think, oh, that didn't work. But what you have to do is you actually have to click on this part up here where it says the actual name of the video, and that'll take you to the video. Okay, so make sure you do that step. Don't come here and think, oh, that didn't work. Click up here and then it'll take you to the video, and then you can watch the video here. And then for each week, going back to the modules, you'll have a question or a couple questions each day to keep thinking about what you're supposed to be thinking about that week. Higher standards, little things. Some of these, if you've been around, some of you may have seen some of these before, but most of you have not. So if you've seen it before, it'd be a good update for you. For those of you who have not, it'll get you start thinking in the right way. And at the beginning, we're going to start talking about goals, and I told you guys we're going to start doing that. So take a look at these. You should be doing these each day. These will be worth a grade for your cross country. This is where you'll be getting your grade for cross country, and each one, 70% of it is just doing it, but 30% is doing it thoroughly. So make sure you're not giving me 1 to 5 word answers like, yeah, that was good, or yeah, I agree. It should be a thorough answer where you're actually thinking about this stuff. So make sure that you're doing what you need to do, and I know you guys are going to do great, and you're going to have a great year. So looking forward to it. Have a good day.